Question 11 of the additional maths paper 2022. This question is quite a large one, so just be aware. So we've got coordinates A and B, and we need to find the length of the line AB. So first one, nice, quick and simple. So we're going to plot our points first. Always like to have an image, even if you're not using it for much. It's just nice to see the little diagram there for yourselves. So -3 is obviously towards that way, and we've got 12, 6 is over here somewhere. And this is creating our triangle. So the first thing I need to do is find that distance from this x to the other x. So -3 to 12, well, that gives me a distance of 15. My 5 is very weird there. I'm going to rewrite that. Don't want to squish 5. And then from 3 to 6, that's given us 3 along there. Should know now it's Pythagoras. Okay, so we're going to add the two sides together because we're trying to find the hypotenuse or the length of AB. And that's the shortest distance that AB can travel to. That's why they do it. So we're going to square root 3 squared plus 15 squared. Type that into your calculator as you do. And that's going to give us 3 root 26. Hope you like my hemming along the way there. Find the gradient of the line perpendicular. Perpendicular is your key point here. So whenever you have anything with perpendicular, you need to know that M1 times M2 is going to give you -1. So it's the gradient of the first line times the gradient of the second line will give you that -1 because it's the negative reciprocal when they're perpendicular. So firstly, I need to find the gradient for M1, which is fine because I've already done the hard work. I've got the difference of y, which is 3, and I've got the difference of x, which is 15, which gives me 3 over 15 is 1 over 5. With that, I've got to now remember it's the negative reciprocal. So M2 is going to be flipped with a negative in front. So the perpendicular to AB is going to be -5. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line AB. So midpoint means in the middle. So remember, you're going to add them together, then divide by 2 to find that middle part. So let's go. 12 plus -3. So that's both my x's added together, divided by 2. And then on the other one, we're going to have is 6 plus 3 divided by 2. And that will give us our coordinates. So 12 minus 3 gives us 9. So 9 over 2, or we could say 4.5, whichever you fancy. And 9 over 2, which is also 4.5. What a funny question. Okay, just double check that you've done everything right. All good. And we are finished on this first section. So let's see the answers for this one. So they wanted to have AB. So maybe we could have written out the root 2, 3, 4. So site of the previous. Okay, so it says here that as long as I've got site of 3 over root 26, it implies that I've got that other mark. So I've got all 3 there. And that one up there. A second question. So the gradient 6 minus 3 over 12 minus, so that the 3 over 15 is what we've done. So that gave us our M1 and our A1. And then the perpendicular of -5. Brilliant, so another 3 marks there. And the last point, so showing that we're adding them together and divided by 2, gives us our M1 and our A1 is for our answer of 4.5, 4.5. You could have left that as a fraction if you wanted to. I normally do, so it's up to you personally what you want. Okay, question B. Says find the equation of the straight line with a gradient of 6 that passes through the point 2, 15. I love these questions. So straight away we've got y equals, it's given us mx plus c. This is a really nice question. So we're going to put our gradient in. which is 6x plus c. Now we're going to input our x and y value. So y is 15 and x is 2. Oops, didn't mean to put an equal sign there, my bad. And there we go, plus c. So 12 plus something gives us 15. So c must equal 3. Once we've got c equals 3, we can just write that in nice and lovely. So our answer is 6x plus 3. There we go. It's a lovely 2-mark question. Answers. So M1 for showing the value of c, yay, and 2 for having our final answer. Voila. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and that's another video all done and dusted.